Hi everyone, welcome to the IronFX VIP trading room. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the most out of the VIP trading room, how to earn XPs to win the competition, and how to earn coins they can use to redeem in the store. All right, so once you land in the VIP trading room, what you'll notice is that there are a list of channels on the left for you to navigate around, and there's a chat area on the right for you to talk and for you to interact with fellow traders. All right, you will find a guide over here under INFX competition that shows you how to earn experience points. Now, there are always two things, right? There are experience points, as you see up here, and there are coins, as you see up here. Okay, experience points is what you use to win competitions, right? Coins is what you use if you want to go in over to the store, on your left over here, and you can use it to redeem indicators. You can use it to redeem one-on-one trading sessions, right? So coins are independent of the trading competition, right? After each trading competition, you can continue to use the coins and keep the coins. All right, so let me show you how to get coins, how to get experience points and coins, right? We explain over here that, just sending messages every day, right? Replying to people, logging in, you'll get points. For example, something as simple as coming in here and just leaving a thumbs up, right? You notice that you have got some points and you got some coins, okay? Now, so this is as simple as getting points, and we added something new, which are the social media quests, right? This means that you get points for interacting with our social media accounts. You get a lot of points actually, right? So how to get access to that? On the left panel, you should be able to see this thing called socials. If you don't see it, you might have this little tree button that allows you to select and click socials. Okay. Now, this is the part where you connect your Twitter, your YouTube. We're adding in Instagram, we're adding in Facebook, adding in LinkedIn, right? But for this example, right, I'll be showing you how to get points with Twitter. Clicking on it, you'll see the INFX profile over here. You see all the different posts that we have, and we actually reward you for liking, reposting, and leaving comments. Now remember, everything is being tracked, meaning that you can't game the system. So if you do like and then unlike a post, right, we actually have a 2 to 3 times penalty, right, where whatever you earn will be deducted 3 times more. Right, so we put that in place because we don't want people. We want the games to be fair, right? We don't want people abusing the system. But it's very simple. You can come in here, and for example, you can choose to view the profile, or if you can read the post here, you can click like, right? You notice that it immediately is liked over here. Correct. Of course, you can click repost, right? It's then sent directly to your account and reposted it, and can make a comment. Very nice. And you click on comment, right? And the comment is actually made directly to IronFX, right? Just to confirm, you can click on it, right? Of course, you can come over to the IronFX account, click on it. You notice that, sorry, I think it was a different post that we're looking at. Yep, so you can see we have, commented, we have liked and reposted it. All right. You can see very nice over here. Okay. So that is how the social media quests work for Twitter or X. We allow you to like, repost, and comment. Right. You can also verify whether you have followed INFX on X. Right. On YouTube. Right, just to take note for YouTube, it takes a little bit longer to verify. The process is slightly different, right? So you will get rewarded 1,000 points and coins for commenting on a post. What you need to do is you need to click go to the video, right? So now that you're on the video, you can leave a comment over here, right? Say very insightful, perhaps, and leave a comment. So once you have left this comment, all right, what you want to do is you want to wait, right? You probably want to wait for about a minute before I click verify, because otherwise, the verification might fail. For example, if you try to verify too fast, it might not be able to detect it, right? It show that the verification has failed. So you put on a countdown timer, 30 seconds before you can verify. So just wait about a minute before you click on verify again. And of course, if we detect your comment, you will get the points. All right. So this is how you can get use the social quest to really get a lot of points. A few other places that we want to direct your attention to, right? Upgrading your tiers. So if you are going, whether you get a bronze or the silver, gold, platinum, or diamond tier, you get additional XP, right, for doing so. XP and coins, actually. So if you have a diamond tier, right, you go from bronze all the way to diamond, you're going to get additional 50,000 points and a 50,000 XP. The leaderboard is tracked over here on the top right. You can have a drop down and you can see the first round, right? The first round will be from 24th March to 24th February to 10th of March. Clicking on it will actually load it. We'll be adding in adding in the prizes. You'll be able to see who else you're competing with. And for this round, there'll only be one competition and 5 winners. So the top 5 will win a prize. And depending on your tier, whether you're bronze or platinum, right, you will get a different price. Meaning that if you're the first, right, you might get a certain price. And if you're bronze, but if you're first and you're platinum, right, you get a better price, right? So that is the way that we're going to do it. It's going to be a combined competition instead. All right. We have very the quests that you can go to around here, right? All the different little things that you can achieve along the way. And once you've achieved them, 100 reactions, 100 replies, you're going to get more points. You're going to get more coins. All right. Last thing I want to direct your attention to is that if there is a language that you are browsing the community in and you want it to be in a different language, all you need to do is to click translate, click on translation, and you can immediately, right, you select Italian, right? All conversations will be translated, right? I think I'll go over to here instead, right? You can see all conversations will be translated. All conversations will be translated to, in this case, Italian, right? So its AI translation is very accurate, right? So this is something you want to do, right? If you want to view the community in a different language, okay? Perhaps the last few things, besides jumping around different channels, talking to people, having fun, interacting, right? One thing that we notice is that we have chart channels, right? We give you experience points, right, for creating analysis. Right? It's very easy to create analysis. For example, if you think that euro dollar is going to bounce over here, you click create analysis. Is it bullish or bearish? Let's say it's bullish. It's going to be entries below current price. Pivot is your entry level. So you're going to pick pivot and maybe you put it over here, right? Resistance is always above price. Notice if you try to bring it below, you can't. Yeah, so put it above. And your support is always below price. You try to bring it above, you can't do it. You have to bring it lower. Okay? So support. All right, I know it's a little bit hard to see. Maybe my picture is blocked out a bit. Right, so you then type in your title and preference, right? Potential bounce, right? Potential bounce of major support. What am I referring to? Highlight the text and link it to a chart object that you just drew. All right, clicking confirm or save will create the analysis and give you a nice amount of points. And for people who have discussions within the analysis, right? For example, you actually get a lot of points for additional points for discussions within the analysis too. Okay, take note there's a cooldown period, so you can't be spamming nonstop. All right, so we'll take note of spammers too. And we encourage people to not spam, try to keep all conversations valuable, right, insightful, and whoever reads it, should find some value out of it. If we find anyone who is abusing it, we reserve the right to ban the person or to even to deduct the points. All right, so that's it for me for this video, giving you guys a crash course on how to navigate around the VIP trading room, how to get points, how to get coins, right? Of course, and how to navigate and how to take part in our social quests. Okay, if any questions, feel free to send it to me in the chat room. I'm all over the chat room, so you can easily find me in there. Okay, stay safe, trade safe, and I'll see you in the VIP trading room.